Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Logistics Cost in India report. Recently, a report titled Logistics Cost in India Assessment and Long-Term Framework was launched. The report has been prepared by the National Council of Applied Economic Research and the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. This report presents a baseline aggregated logistic cost estimate and a framework for long-term logistics cost calculation. It uses available secondary data from the supply use tables and national account statistics of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation and the NCAER study. Through the report, a framework is being developed which will be used to calculate credible logistics cost estimates. Significantly, India's National Logistics Policy, which was launched on 17th September 2022, aims to reduce logistics cost in India. The latest report on logistics cost is expected to help achieve the target of reducing the country's logistics cost. Now moving on to key points, India's logistic cost ranged between 7.8% and 8.9% during 2021-22, down from 8.7 to 9.9% during 2011-12. India's logistics cost saw a dip during 2014-15 to 2016-17 from 8.3 to 9.4% to 7.8 to 8.8% due to a faster growth in nominal GDP than in logistic cost and a fall in fuel prices compared to the earlier period. It recommends a hybrid approach combining primary and secondary survey data with real-time big data for logistics cost estimation.